Residents of the 5 states that make up the southeastern region of Nigeria have since August confined to a compulsory sit-at-home every Monday, following a statement issued by the leadership of the outlaw separatist group, the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, operating majorly within the area. The statement, which was signed by the group's media and publicity secretary, Emma Powerful, states that the civil action was aimed at persuading the federal government to release its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, who is facing trial but now at the custody of the Department of State Services, DSS. The INEC Resident Electoral Commissioner, Nkwachukwu Orji, says these, among other challenges, may affect the Commission's preparations for the November 6 governorship election in Anambra State.
Preparations are on course, even with all the challenges that we are facing. The arson attack of May 23rd, the sit-at-homes that are shortened the weeks. This is eating up into our preparation time. But all of that, what we have done is to redouble our efforts.
Despite these challenges, Nkwachukwu says the Commission has developed systems to ensure that all the programs as outlined are fully implemented before, during, and after the November 6 polls.
We have developed a system of monitoring closely to make sure that all the activities, all the plans, all the programs that have been identified and outlined are implemented.
We have done registration process and people came out to register despite the situation on the ground. And I think that this shows, the interest people have in the electoral process.
The Commission released the timetable and schedule of activities back in January that listed 14 activities. So it's a plan from the beginning to the end. And these plans have to be properly undertaken. And each stage has to be monitored. So what the EMSC does is to make sure that everything in the plan is executed at the right time.
We are very proud to have been able to support this EMSC system since 2017, and our hope is indeed that the EMSC tool helps INEC deliver the election in the best conditions with the minimum risk of hiccups or issues on the way.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.